Every day we are confused with some problem and search it on the web using search engines like Google, Bing, Yahoo. But how do these search engines work? Search engines store a lot of information. They do so by using web crawlers. Web crawlers scan all over the web and add new information, or go through any internal links and store all the data on the search index. Now, when you search for something, the search engine starts showing the relevant result according to the keywords matched with your search and the articles which are present on different websites. The pages are organized according to different algorithms which search engines follow. Like keywords, keyword location means where the keywords are placed, on heading, in between the article or anywhere else, also affects the indexing of the web page. There are also chances that recent posts have more updated and accurate information. Nowadays, search engines use AI for getting accurate results for users. So, the next time when you search for something on Google or any other search engine, as a matter of fact, make sure to remember how they work. Thank you for watching our video. Make sure to like and share this video.